Hello everyone, I'm Saranya Shastri. Today I'm going to demonstrate my project, the Advanced Linux Intelligent Toolkit scripts. First of all, I would like to show my folder structure. Okay, of these my folders or directories, I have the backup, screenshots, data, output, logs. And in the logs directory, I have a samples system log, and I have the scripts directory, and in the script directory, I have 6 scripts that I want to demonstrate today. Okay, let's start. The first script I would like to show you is the signal gardens. The speaker signal. For this signal guidance, it will demonstrate Linux signal handling. I use trap command to catch the interruption or the SIGINT, or the Control C and exit, and also the create and remove a temporary file safely. Okay, the first command is the shebang, which is tell the operating system that we use the bash. And first one, I creating a temporary files. Okay, I will explain. This is the name of available of the temporary files. I use the command substitution. This command is a make temp. It's a command that making the temporary files, and this is the part of the files. So the name is would be guardians underscore with the X digit that it will automatically generating the names, and echo that it was creating at this part. The second one is the cleanup temporary file when the system is finished running. So we have the cleanup function, which echo the text cleaning temporary files, and this is the function if the files, this temporary file, is exit, so we will remove by using rm-f and the file's name, and echo that is removed already and say goodbye. And the next function, I have the handle interrupt function. Is just the function that show we got the interrupt. Second is the signal interruption. Just echo that we have the interrupt and exit zeros. And the next one is the tab function, tab command, Tab command is the checking the interruption from this function. We use the SIGINT interruption or the Control C. And the next one is the tab clean up exit. When it have the exit command run, it will call the cleanup function, which is the remove. Yeah, and the next one is just echo the monitoring systems that stops. And another last one is the loop continue until the interrupt occur For example, when we run, it's still waiting for the interruption. And if finish, it will wait 1 second to save the CPU to not run like a lot in just a second. Okay, let's start. Let's try. Every time you run the bash script, you have to execute the file first. I will show you for examples. We change mode signals. Oh, it's plus X signals. So is this change mode is mean like you add the execute to these files, and then you can run these files by using the dot slash and the file names to run the script. As you can see, it's temporary files created at these files and monitoring system, and press Ctrl C to stop safely. So now it's run looply in until I press the Ctrl C to stop this. Ctrl C, and it said like interrupt receive, and it's clean up the temporary files and say goodbye. And that's it for this script. For the next one, I will demonstrate the this script is analyze sample system log files. Called in for warning error message in the log files, and display the security event and generate the log report. Okay, first of all, I will show you my log samples. I will show you my log samples in the logs, this file. So I will cat it to show you. And this is all my log files that I creating manually. And this have the info, status, warning status, security, errors of this have each status. And we will looking and analyze this file which using the scripts. Okay, let's start. The first one is the location part of the files. The log files that I told you before is in the logs and the system sample.log files. And we also creating the output result. So it's have this directory and this file names of the report. And the next one is checking script directory is currently directory or not, because it can find the log files correctly. So if it's not log file existing, or is this one is have this one, is will creating this to this variable, also the output and this output file. It check again that is correct part. The next one is the creating the log files If it's not exiting, the log file is not exiting, so it will show the error that is no files. So you have to creating it for this project. And the next one is creating the output directory. And for the first one is we have the analyze log. First of all is have the creating the clear, clean, clean data variables. The local is mean the local variables. So it can use only this function. And the next one is we have the tr command. It is the squeeze space command. So we'll make this file text files without the space. So it's easily to finding, and this is showing the logs files and the date and time. And we have the total line. To find the total lines, we use the vc dash line. Vc is mean the word count, dash l is mean the line. So it will show this line, the total line. And the next one is the info count. So we will count, we use the grep dash c is mean the we count this word. Yeah, okay. And it show the number of the word counted. Also the warning word, error words, and it show out in this summary. And the next one is find the most status, like which status is most occur in this log. So we have awk is the count each word, and the uniq is mean like the count the unique word. Sort and r is mean the big, the numbers reverse. So the biggest to the smallest. And the head is mean the first, the top one. And it will print this. Also at the same to the log group frequency. So it show the also the counting word with this one. And the next one is security line. It show the security events that have the word security, how many, and it print which line this is of them. And the last one is the T. The T is mean the print to this. So it's run this function and then print this into these files. And it's a code that like is completely analysis and is saved to these files. Let's try. Also, as I told you, we have to change mode. The files change mode plus X, and the files is the log analyzers. Okay, and then we will land it log. Okay, the report is showing the files directory part and the date and time, and the total is the total line, the info messages, warning messages, error messages, and the most common logs level is the info, which is like 19 occurrence, and the log groups we have the process, 10 times network, and so on, and each sort by biggest to the smallest. And then the last one is detected security events. Is have like each it show like what line it is and the date and time. And lastly, analysis complete and report saved to this location. So we will see this location, city, and this address. See, I'm not showing the directory. Sorry. And then we have this file, so I will cut it out to see the report. And this is the report that is sent. And this is for the log analysis report. Okay, I will go to